This is a Fox 17 Weather Ready Alert.
We still have some light snow out there across especially parts of southwest Kent and Berry County from out towards Kentwood and Wyoming near Hastings, Ionia, Charlotte, getting a little bit of some heavier snow, but even that is pretty relative. Everything that's going on right now is very light across West Michigan and most of the southern half of the area only getting just a couple of flurries here and there. That should be what most of us are getting over the next couple of hours, and even right now looking out over Holland, the sensor said dry. Looking out across the little ice rink area, it is dry. We see the flag waving in the wind, which is causing some wind chill concerns, but it is not all that bad at the moment. Holland and South Haven coming in dry, while Muskegon, Kalamazoo, and Grand Rapids, light snow is happening. Temperatures are in the 20s. Wind is northwest or west 5 to 10. And this indicates the direction northwest that the cold front is starting to move through, still kind of knocking on our doorstep, but once it moves through later on this evening, we should see a reduction in our snow as this continues to push to the south and east. We'll likely have very quiet weather the next couple of days thanks to a big high pressure that's going to move to our southwest. It's going to sink down towards Iowa and Illinois, but be close enough to us that it will help to push away any systems, and it will change our wind direction enough that we don't have to worry about lake effect snow. So other than maybe some pockets of flurries overnight, just a few of them here and there, a dusting of snow to maybe half an inch, we should not really have a whole lot of active weather coming down the pike. Temperatures tonight should end up right around 14 degrees. Not a ton of wind, but even a 5 to 10 mile an hour wind at these temperatures can cause feels like temperatures to drop to around 5 to 10. So bundle up if you're headed out early tomorrow morning. But tomorrow afternoon will be very much like today in terms of temperatures. We're hanging out in the low to mid 20s, maybe even some upper 20s out there, staying mainly cloudy with a peak of sun here or there. The next several days will be quiet as that high pressure stays right overhead. So Wednesday will be another day with mainly cloudy skies, temperatures in the mid 20s, not seeing a whole lot of wind, not seeing a whole lot of active weather. Thursday early on will be dry, mainly cloudy with a high of 26, but there will be some late day snow. A lot of that looks to be pushed to the late evening and overnight, with the Clipper system coming very quickly out of Canada. That should start to impact us, especially in the early morning hours of Friday. And some of the heavier snow coming down at this time could lead to a more difficult Friday morning commute, mostly because the snow will be fresh, it will be ongoing, and the plows will have to keep up with it as everybody's heading out. But by Friday afternoon, high pressure is on the way here, helping to clear things out. There may be a little bit of lake effect snow, but that should be just about the end of the activity in the short term. This cold high coming in for Saturday, though, will bring once again a round of that Arctic air. It will be short-lived, kind of a glancing blow, but we do have some cold mornings ahead this week. Wednesday morning will be one of them at 6, but otherwise Saturday 3 is where we'll start with high temperatures only in the teens.